The new FHA guidelines that were just released that allow you to buy a fixer-upper home and wrap up to the first 12 months mortgage payments into the loan has been going viral, but the people talking about it have left a lot out. Realtors and lenders are posting it all over and reposting it as clickbait, but it's leaving people asking, what's the catch? The truth is, these guidelines aren't new, and I've actually personally used this feature on my own first personal FHA 203k loan. I've also personally helped dozens of other people do the same with their own home purchases. So in this video, I'm here to actually clear the air and show you how this actually works and how you can use it effectively on your next home purchase to keep tens of thousands of dollars in your pocket. So these guidelines have gone viral, and I don't want to be that guy, but since I've been helping people with years to do this, I posted this back in November when it finally released and got tons of views. But everyone else kind of jumped on the bandwagon and kind of copied my post verbatim. This one got 10 million views, and you kind of just see over and over again that people are just posting the same thing, exactly the same text word for word. Now, it's great that it's getting the word out, but I'm seeing the comments and everyone's asking, what's next? So instead of another clickbait video to get cheap clicks and cheap views, I'm here to just give it to you straight. So here's the deal. Number one, a lot of people are making these posts and calling that it's just for FHA loans, but these guidelines actually only apply to the FHA 203k version. The FHA 203k is a federal home buying program that allows you to buy a house with a low down payment, just like the traditional FHA mortgage. But the 203k version allows you to wrap in any renovation costs required or needed to renovate a house. With the 203k, you could buy anything from a property that needs just minor cosmetic work to a complete overhaul, rebuild, remodel, even adding a second floor. Now, the guideline to wrap your mortgage payments into the loan isn't new. Up until November of 2024, FHA previously allowed you to wrap up to the first 6 months mortgage payments into the loan. That means you buy a house, pay your down payment at closing, then you don't have to make a payment on that house for up to 6 months after you close. And that all depends on the length of the renovation. Now, due to construction timelines and all kinds of things taking longer than expected in the last couple of years, FHA updated the timeline requirements for construction. In the Mortgagee Letter 2024-13 that was released by HUD, they said going into effect on November 4th were a couple of different things. One of the main ones is that they increased the required timelines for these projects. You can see here on page 8, they updated the standard renovation loan to go up to 12 months, and then on the limited version up to 9 months. Now on page 6 is where they state that because they're extending up to 12 months, they're also extending the ability to include the mortgage payments only during the duration which the property cannot be occupied. So they doubled the timeline from 6 months to 12 months and wrapped in the ability to wrap in those payments during those timelines. Now, why does this feature even exist in the first place? Well, FHA mortgages are primary residence mortgages. They require you to live in the property, hence why they're giving you these amazing rates and these amazing terms and low down payments. Now, the 203k is a version that allows you to buy the house and also renovate it to your liking. So the FHA understands that you likely will not be able to pay for a house that you can't live in and also potentially pay or continue to pay for another place to live while the renovation's going on. So instead of potentially having to pay for 2 places at a time or just pay for a house that you can't live in, they allow you to wrap these mortgage costs into the loan as well, in addition to the purchase price of the house and the renovation costs. With that said, here's an example of what that looks like in real life. Say you buy a property for $400,000 and you are on track to renovate it for $100,000. Your total loan amount for that property would be $500,000. And just using a quick calculation, depending on where you are in the country, your monthly payment on that property would be about $4,000 per month. One of the most common questions I get asked about this is, how did they decide how long your renovation's actually going to take? The rule is you can wrap in as much as needed between you and the contractor and the 203k consultant as deemed necessary for the duration of the project. Now, in my experience, construction takes way longer than everybody thinks it's going to. So ultimately, this is up to you. But I always ask for the max amount of whatever we think it's going to be, and if it finishes earlier, that's a win. Now, also, the timeline guideline needs to make sense. By make sense, I mean if all you're doing is changing the carpets and putting some paint on the walls, you can't ask for a full 12 months. But it could, however, take 3 or 6 months and you can wrap those payments in as well. It's still a win. Now, back to our example, let's just say that $100,000 renovation is going to take the better part of a year. So with that, 12 months of $4,000 a month will equate to about $48,000. That would mean that your new loan amount is going to be $548,000. Now, here's the catch a lot of people are leaving out. That increased loan amount will increase your monthly payment. It will also affect your approval amount. So let's say you were only approved for a $500,000 mortgage. Wrapping those payments, you won't be eligible for the loan anymore because you're over exceeding what you're able to afford. But here's the exciting hack that I found after working with dozens of people on this and doing it myself this way. The beauty of the FHA 203k loan is when you play your cards right and search for a really good deal, you can immediately increase the value of your home by using the bank's money to renovate it. That added value, called equity, is a tool you can use to really make this feature work for you. Now, let's say again in our example that we bought the house for $400,000, we put $100,000 into it, so we were all in for $500,000. And we also wrapped in those loan payments each month that equated to $548,000. Now, after looking at what the prices are on properties in your market, you know that after your renovation, you also increase the value on the property $100,000. And now the new value of the property is $600,000. Now, since your equity is significantly higher, you not only have the ability to wrap in all those payments, but you're still also getting $52,000 of equity and you didn't have to pay your mortgage for an entire year. Now, instead, your new payment with that increased loan amount is going to be $4,180. So your payment goes up $180 each month, which means $2,160 more per year. But that in that first year is still saving you $48,000. That's $48,000 that you can use to pay for your housing, or if you live with a family member or live somewhere else or even renting in a cheaper place, that's money that you save that everyone else usually has to pay for that you can either invest, buy more property with, or just keep as a nest egg and use for future improvements for your house. The biggest key of this feature is it only works when you find a good deal. Now, this is the linchpin of the 203k loan strategy and the strategy that I've been using personally and helping people with for years. Use low risk, low down payment government financing to buy a fixer-upper and increase its equity immediately, and keep more money in your pocket to do other things like maybe buy more real estate. Now, this process takes a little extra work, but it's an amazing feature when used right, can absolutely change your life financially. It takes a little extra work, but it's how I turned my initial $9,500 down payment into over $2 million of real estate in 5 years using only these types of products with these features. These new guidelines are making it even more favorable than ever. First-time homebuyers have an opportunity to get in cheaper than ever and immediately build equity that their parents took decades to build. It's quite literally pressing the fast forward button on generational wealth through real estate. As I've mentioned earlier, I've done this myself multiple times and helped countless other people do it as well. So if you're interested in doing this, buying a house, building equity immediately, being able to wrap all your payments in, and you want someone to help you and look over your shoulder with a proven process on how this actually works, you can click the link down below in the comments to fill out an assessment, learn a little bit more about you and how we can work together to help you not only take advantage of wrapping in payments, but actually creating a ton of long-term wealth for you and your family in the process. My name's Matt Porcaro, and I hope you liked this video, so go ahead, give it a like if you did, and if you have any questions about this, which I get tons of questions all the time, please leave some in the comments. I answer everyone personally because I'm a huge believer of this program. I think not enough people know about it, and unfortunately, too many people talk about it and the amazing features of it, but don't have the experience to back it up. For more of these, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.